Okay, today we got this VIZIO
Soundbar.
2.0 soundbar. Through Amazon. So, ultra compact design, as you can see. It's got an app, 2 powerful speakers in it, 91 dB, DTS,
And Bluetooth.
Bluetooth.
VIZIO.
That's it, not much labels on it. Let's open her up.
Open it upside down.
Is it upside down? Put it right down the middle.
Cut it upside down.
I think it's been opened before.
Yeah.
Luis.
There's the soundbar.
Get all the stuff out of the box.
Okay.
That instruction, right?
Instructions pretty straightforward. We have a new fiber line, fiber cable. If we have to return it, we're not going to put this on.
Oh, squirrel. Look like a squirrel.
Does it have a remote?
Look at that.
It could be in here.
Open it. Does
I
have
can't
a,
open it. You have
There is soundbar.
the back of it. What's this for? Sound? What's this?
Upside down.
Does that have
Upside
a,
down like that, I think.
does that have a woofer inside of it? What's this, Daddy?
there's a remote.
Inside. But I'm not
It's got a remote.
Oh, yeah. Here's the buttons for the push it on.
I don't know why they give you this. It's like a foot long. It's useless.
This is our soundbar.
There it is.
Looks like a small.
This is the batteries. Batteries. And here's the remote. Very square.
Let's
And
go.
here's our remote.
Here is the remote.
And volume here.
Here, they're inside. Include this a battery.
This is our old remote.
It's the instructions. Here.
Where the battery goes.
Put them in.
You put it in.
There you go.
VIZIO.
Here you guys already set up. There it is. Here's the sound bar. It's working.